Father God is so faithful. He can use those around us to inspire us to try something new. This flower arrangement is very special to me because I took my time and put in all the different flowers. I didn't rush to do it. I took my time with selecting the right flowers. Now my favorite piece in here would be this one here. I really like that. And this little one here. So I'm not sure of the name of the flowers, but I just like the way it flows. I got a splash of the orange and then the yellow. And it's so fun. I can't believe I took so long doing this because I really enjoy it. I have a friend who enjoyed doing flower arrangements in her business, and I was just messing around with doing a wreath, and I said, yay, I like this. This is fun. You get to have your creative side flow. You know, God has blessed and gifted us with talent. So yeah, I found this vase, and this vase is a real tall, skinny vase, and I was able to put the flowers in there. So I'm through with this particular arrangement, and I really like it. I really like it. And I have it in my office here, and it works. So yeah, I plan to do many more arrangements because it's really fun. And see, I have this large vase working with it. This long, tall vase that works.